Now let's use the useState hook inside TypeScript project. That is, let's take state inside a TypeScript project. Let me first of all use the useState hook. I'll say const array is equal to useState. Now at the moment, if I roll over the mouse here on useState, then it shows undefined. Even let's say I take a counter, comma set counter. Again I roll over the mouse. Let's say I roll over the counter. It infers undefined. This is the feature of TypeScript. So the data type is inferred. So here, because there is no value in the useState, it is saying undefined. And if I roll over the set counter, it says the dispatch, which is a function used to update the state. Now let me give a number inside the useState, and now if I roll over the counter, you can see the type inferred is number. Now let me display the counter only, and let's run the code. So you see that it is displaying value 1. Now let me just type set counter here. And if I give 5, there is no issue because the useState is anyway initialized with a numeric value like here 1. So I give a new value that is 5. So there is no issue at all. But let's say I try to give a string here. Then you see that it is showing the problem. It is saying that it is the numeric value which is expected. So imagine you may have a string or a number. Then you can write like this. You can say, so after useState inside the angle brackets, you can specify with an or, that is the pipe, which denotes that the state can be a number or a string. So now if you see test I have given, there is no issue. In fact, if I just give number, then also it's working fine. So now let's display the counter and check the output. So you can see that test is getting displayed. So string is also allowed now. So this is how you create the state using the useState in general with TypeScript. Now let's talk about a relative question. The question is create a state named counter which can have number, null or boolean values. So this is how you do it. You just give number, pipe, null, that is or, and again one more or and boolean. So this way you can have multiple types allowed for the state using the pipe sign, that is the or.